Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. If you are looking for a powerful and stable device at a decent price, then Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G is the right choice. 32MP front camera. 108 megapixels rear side camera. You can enjoy speed and lots of storage space as the phone comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Features on the rear camera setup include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Phone is powered with octa-core Snapdragon CPU. The handset runs Android V12 operating system. 5200 mAh Li polymer battery that offers you a long-lasting entertainment. Sensors on the phone include light sensor, proximity sensor. Please subscribe my channel.